What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Out here, Lake Ohop, after work bass fishing. We're gonna do a solo tournament today. We're gonna weigh our 5 best bass, and the goal for how I win this solo tournament, because it's just me in it, is to get a 5-fish limit that weighs 10 pounds or more. If it weighs at least 10 pounds or more, we win. If I can't get 10 pounds, I won't win. It probably doesn't sound like a huge bag to a lot of you that do a lot of bass fishing tournaments, but for this lake, I would say that's probably, the average fish you catch out here is like 1.5 pounds. So I'm going to say a five fish limit's probably going to go closer to like 8 pounds. So if we can get a 10-pound bag, I'll be pretty happy with that. That's 5 fish averaging 2 pounds. That's what we're going for, guys. So we're going to weigh our 5 best. We got our handy dandy scale here. We're going to weigh our 5 best fish on this, and this will track it. Like, you can save the weights and everything, so we'll know what our average fish is and like total weight of all 5, if we can even get 5. But let's see if we can do it. Let's do a little solo tournament. We also don't have that long to do this, guys. We have it's almost 4 o'clock. We got to leave probably about 7, so a little over 3 hours to do this. Yeah, let's see if we can't get a 5-fish limit. You know what? Yeah, let's start with this. Let's start with the old Zara Spook, little bass color. Let's see what happens with a little top water. We have overcast conditions. Weather for fishing today is like really good. The last time we were out here and we fished, it was like 90 degrees, and we did well. We got 4 in the boat and we lost 1 at the boat. So I'm hoping for another day like that. I'm hoping for a better day. Oh, we had a little blow up. All right. I don't think it was very big, but we had one. Let's see if he's still there. I don't even think it's going to be scoreable. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, guys. They are going to have to be at least 1 pound to be scoreable. To be a scoreable fish, they have to go at least 1 pound, or they don't count. All right, first spot didn't work. No fish on this section, so we're gonna move. We're gonna run up this way a little ways and see if they're over there. All right, I'm gonna go that far because, you know, if you know this lake, you can only go 5 miles an hour this time of day. So it takes a while to do a run. So we move probably 300 yards up. This section, I don't know. something about it, I just like the way it looks, so we're gonna try here. That first little bit that we fished, we did get one blow up on the top water, but I'm 90% sure it was like a 10-inch bass. Wasn't very big. Sometimes they can just blow up small like that and end up being a decent fish, but I think it was a small one. Another thing I noticed when we were over there, a lot of the stuff we were fishing, a lot of those docks we were fishing were shallow, like 7 feet of water, 6-7 feet of water. And my thought is I need to probably find maybe deeper docks, maybe docks that are in 10, 12 feet of water. Right now, I'm sitting in 10 feet, so I think these docks are a little bit deeper because back there, like I was fishing, where I was sitting was like 7 feet, be 7 or 8 feet, so I know the docks were a little bit shallower than that. So we'll see if a little bit. Oh, that's got crosspins all the way across. We'll see if a little bit deeper docks is the ticket. Oh, we got a little one following it. We had a little guy following it. Little guy. I get one? I got one. Hey! No skunk, baby! Doesn't count though. Not gonna count, but we didn't get skunked today. Only about an 8-incher. It's got a 500 hooks in them though. Sorry about that, bro. See ya. Ouch. Hey, well, we didn't get skunked. Maybe we're onto something. Jerk bait. Eat them bigger. Come on, bigger fish. Oh man, I think we got hit again. I think that got tapped. Oh, we had one. Dang it, we had another one. That was a, dang it. That one might have been a pound. Son of a gun. Dang. Sleeping, I wasn't expecting it. And when I thought it was stuck for a minute, and then I could feel him pulling and fighting, and he popped off. Shucks. Definitely was a better one. It wasn't, he might have went a pound. He didn't feel huge, but he felt like a pounder. Scoreable. Dang it. Man, I so badly want to skip these docks, but we've been fishing for 2 hours with the jig on and off. You know, I've been flipping through baits, but I've been using the jig a lot over the last 2 hours. And I had one tap on it back there, and it wasn't even on a dock. It was just like up on the bank. But with this jerk bait, we do have that little one, and we just lost one. So that's 2 fish on a jerk bait, and I had one earlier in the day follow this. So not follow this one, but I had it follow. I had that soft plastic jerk bait on, and I had a fish follow that. So that's what keyed me in on maybe throwing just an actual jerk bait, a hard one. Both fish I've got though, they hit it on the pause. Like when I pause it, they hit it, and then when I go to jerk again, they're on. And it threw me off on the first one that we got, and that one we just lost. That threw me off there too. I just wasn't. I'd gone so long without a fish or a bite that when he did hit it, I was just like, "What? There's a fish on here?" Oh, we got one, guys. Hey, stay down. Hey, will he go a pound? I don't think so. He's like a 12-incher. We're gonna weigh him, but I really don't think he's a pound. I think he's about 10 ounces. He's 9 ouncer. I figured he was about that. 10 ounces, what I said, but see you, bud. Dang it. 9 ounces. Hey, it's 2 fish. Just not the size we're looking for. It's definitely this, we're at least getting bit on this. The size is wrong. I need a better size. I do feel like if the little ones are eating it, the big ones got to too, or I would think so. Leave it to the day when you decide to do like some type of challenge that you struggle. Man, he had it though. He wasn't coming off. He done had it in all up in his mouth. But again, that was another one. He hit that on the pause. It was like, where I twitch, and then as I'm going down to twitch again, there's just boom, weight there. Like that. We got another one. Oh, I think so. Yep, we got another one. Little one. Dang you. There you go. Look at the belly on that sucker, though. You're a pig, bro. This is as big as you. What are you doing? See ya. Well, we're catching little ones today, guys. Oh, man. Figuring it out. I mean, I'm happy that thought I just heard a fish jump. I'm happy that we're figuring it out. It's just, man, I wish they were bigger. And maybe if we'd been throwing this like all day, if I would have just maybe kept this in my hand all day, maybe we would have came across the bigger one. I know that one we lost back there was bigger than that 9-ouncer. Tell you one thing though, when you get them on, with when they're small like that, they're hard to get off. Those hooks are just like all up in their face. Yeah, that's crazy. That's another one, literally on the pause. Got fish jumping out over here. What do we got? Any biggins? Are those biggins? Last cast right here. Can we get one? Come on, baby. Nothing. It's gonna do it. We skunked on the scoreable fish. Not one scoreable fish. If this was an actual tournament, we would not be able to weigh in. We didn't get a fish over a pound. Dang, man, I really thought we were with the cloud cover and everything. I thought, man, it's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be epic. Not the case. It was struggle fest. It took me a while to even lock in on that jerk bait, as far as like that being the go-to bait. This is what it was. It's a Rapala Shadow Wrap 11, and it's in a white body, orange belly. If you want to catch little fish, that's the bait to go to. This bait I know will catch big fish too, but today it just happened to get the little ones. That's it though, guys. Hope you liked the video, and we'll do it again.